I'm going to show you how to make orange juice carrot smoothie. First, put that orange juice. I'm going to try it from mayo. I really love it. Wow, it's really good. This is Smoothie Experimentix, and I'm going to show you how to make orange juice carrot smoothie. This is what you have to do. First, put that orange juice. You see that drop? Oh. Now I gotta mix it until it's all mixed up. There we go. Now to put the bananas. Now I got to put the Hemp Seeds. Now frozen mangoes and some ice. I've been waiting for this moment. And drop. Beautiful color. Oh. I'm gonna try it from mayo. I really love it. It tastes really good, but matches with my shirt. Ethan!
What is this? Can you please tell me?
It's orange carrot smoothie.
Oh, can I try?
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks like carrots. And it smells like orange juice.
Yeah, because I put orange inside.
Wow, I like the texture. It's soft and very tasty, and it has an amazing taste.
Daniel!
Oh, Daniel, come on.
So, this is Daniel, our friend. Do you want to try it, Daniel?
Yeah, sure. It's really good. It's really good because it tastes like carrots and orange juice combined together. A bit of banana. Yeah. I also tasted a little bit of banana when I tried it.
Every single kid has to drink by smooth because they can, but it's more smoother, but tastes more good. It involves your body and it is healthy.
Very healthy. So kid approved and healthy, very carroty. It looks like a carrot.
Subscribe and hit the bell.
And you'll get notified on all the videos we do.
Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe for my channel, hit the bell, and you'll get notified on all the videos we do.
And make sure to leave a like.
And we also got a challenge for you. Can you hit the bell and subscribe and get notified on all the videos we do?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2.
You did it! Congratulations, guys!
Yay! And woo! My name is Maddox, and I come to win. Got them 6-pack abs like I just came out of the gym. Shout out to my brother, my brother, like a champion. I'm a pro, yeah, I'm a pro, I'm a champion. You should know, yeah, you should know. All I do is win. Who's a pro now? Who's a pro now? Hey, hey, hey. All you need is Despacito, ay. And also my video is right here. Do you see my video?